Gold created a bullish candle yesterday, but that candle is a small body, we can see that. And what we can expect today based on that, two candles as a bullish candles in the last 2 days. Well, we can see that the price is still inside the range area. That range area is between these two levels, between 2744, 2745, and below that is 2730. So it is inside this range, which is a demand zone currently, where the buys are waiting. And also, currently what we can see, they were weak yesterday on the lower side and the small weak on the upper side. So the price is jumping between these two price levels. This means it is indecision on the market between the buyers and the sellers, and no one from their side doesn't have enough strength to push the price in their direction. And we can see that currently in the last 2 days we have two candles as bullish candles, and yesterday a bullish candle body, which is showing us a strength of the bulls, but it is because of this demand zone where the price currently is. So for now I am still waiting outside of the market, waiting where the price will go. Will it go outside here to the bullish side or the downside to the bearish side? And you have in mind that this also a breakout, whichever the side will be broken, could be a trigger with a strong movement because of the price staying for a while, for the 3 days. In the last 3 days, this could be the 4th day or the 5th day, could be a trigger for the strong movement to the upper side or lower side because of the buyers and also sellers preparing for the move. Now, what will happen? This is something that it is the best to wait until the market makes a move and then follow the market, not chasing the market and going in the trade before that. What could happen? It could be also false breakout to the upper side or false breakout to the below side, which means if the price goes up and then enter the trade, then the price reverses back down, invalidating this bullish breakout or bearish breakout and then moving in the opposite side. So it is best to wait outside and wait for the market to make a move and then follow the trend and also the market. This is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.